here, but Mike is here taking him out right now. And also, Jerry, so I think Chris will show you the rest of the property in the beach over here. And then when they clean the room, me and Mike will wake up, and when they clean the room later today, they'll give a tour of our room. Very cool thing about Paradise Monkey is that they have their own private beach here. I haven't really done swimming, but the view.
Go.
Hi guys, I comb my hair.
You combing your hair today?
Yeah.
And what did we use in your hair today? This is what we use. For your dry hair and scalp, we use this all over your body. What is that? Show them what you're using. This is what you're using.
Yeah, you then.
Yeah, so let's do some combing. So Zane, when he was born, he had a head full of hair. And after 6 months, he became bald. Did you?
Ow!
Yes. So all his hair fell out, and it has been, like I've been trying to moisturize his scalp.
Stop talking.
Okay, you want me to stop speaking? But we have to tell them what we're doing. Okay, so can we comb?
And then what did do? And then look.
Okay, so now Mommy's going to make sure. Are you speaking to everybody? So we are just doing a fast hairstyle for my 3-year-old toddler. He loves being on YouTube, so we just decided to do a hairstyle today. Now, he did have a head full of hair when he was born, but at around 6 months, every single thing fell out. And it took a while to really grow. I have been using natural oils on it, water, and I don't know. So recently I started using something for his dry skin, and I have seen that it has been helping him. This thing I showed at the front. I'm not sure if it's called Eucerin. He had dry scalp. Like the head was bald. He looked like Vin Diesel. I'm gonna take a snapshot and post it right there so you could see. He was so cute. Oh my goodness. But now, we want his hair to grow. And we're growing his hair because on his family side, well, his dad's side of the family, they don't cut their hair, so we're growing his hair. Okay. His dad had long hair. His dad recently cut his hair after we got married, so we're growing his hair. If you want to know, a lot of people have recommended taking him to the barber and then just shaving everything off, and it will grow full. I just want him to just have his hair, his baby hair, grow into it, and with age, it will grow. If we as female, when we grow our hair, we don't have to take a boy cut to help it grow. So I have been lately using a lot of water, and I am using castor oil and also the Eucerin to really moisturize his scalp, and I am seeing that his hair is looking a bit lustrous. It's not very dry. The edges and where he slips is right now, you could see there is growth. Before, trust me, I could not hold that. I could not hold his hair. It wouldn't braid. But I'm going to continue doing it and see, like, in a couple of months, to see whether or not this is going to help him get enough growth. He has a mixed hair, so his hair right now, I would categorize it at maybe 3A, like 2B, 3A hair, I think. He has a mix. His dad has really soft hair. I have mixed hair, so yeah. I wanted him to have more texture because I really love braiding. Always wanted him to have like texture in his hair. So we're gonna see how his hair grows. This is the back of his hair where he slips. So you can see the back is shorter than everywhere else. He loves sleeping on his back. So we're just going to help his hair grow by twisting it ever so often and moisturizing it. This way, at least in 3 months, he would have at least, I would say, maybe a few inches of growth or a few centimeters of growth. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe you could tell me in the description box below what you're using on your kid's hair. So far, he's still young. I do not want to use any harsh products. I am trying to use natural products, maybe homemade products, some water, and some natural oil just to help him right now. When his hair is not hydrated, it gets so brittle and dry. It does not look like this. If it wasn't for the Eucerin I use right now with a little bit of water, it wouldn't look like this. I could tell you. It looks really dry and just frizzy up. So I am very happy I got this and I'm able to use it in his hair. It does work. It also works for his dry skin. If a child have eczema, this works really well. Yeah, so this is basically what I use in his hair. I'm just doing some random plaits everywhere and making him look a bit, decent today. He really enjoyed the hairstyle. Yeah, he really enjoyed today's style because I was like, hey Zane, I'm gonna do a hairstyle on video, and he was like, okay, mommy, I wanna say hi, guys. So I want to thank you guys for joining me in this video. I'm just showing you basically how I do both sides. Yeah, I just kept him distracted with giving him the phone to just watch a program. The hairstyle did not take more than 15 minutes. It's just something really fast, so just put in his hair. Thank you for watching.